it is nice. Like it's for me, I'm kind of beginner. Like I don't know much things about in the trading, but I wanted to learn. It's so that way it's good for me. I think it's a nice platform.
So you find it very informative?
Yeah, informative.
And how do you like the presentations and everything that has been said so far?
It's nice. Yeah, of course, I wanted to know more about the trading and just to understand and everything. But it's good, it's good to be as a beginner. It's nice, yeah.
Okay, that's good to know.